So today I'm going to talk to you about how to start your workers' compensation claim. First, it's important to understand that by operation of law under the Workers' Compensation Act, you are automatically entitled to workers' compensation benefits as soon as you report a work-related injury to your employer. So no form is required, no application, nothing like that. Automatically, by law, you're entitled to whatever benefits you're entitled to get under workers' compensation simply by reporting the injury to your employer. Now, very often you will have trouble with your workers' compensation claim. As I discussed before, you're going to be dealing with an insurance company, and there are a lot of issues that come up. And so what we do is we file your claim with the Illinois Workers' Compensation Commission. Now, that's not required by law for you to be entitled to benefits, but you do get certain rights and advantages from doing that. So the first thing I'm going to show you is the form that we use, and this is probably very hard to see, but this is called an application for adjustment of claim. And what we do is we fill that out with some background information about you, your employer, the nature of your injury, medical treatment, and then we file that with the Illinois Workers' Compensation Commission. So what happens when you file an application for adjustment of claim with the Workers' Compensation Commission? Well, first, they give you a case number and they assign you to an arbitrator. The arbitrator is basically like the judge in your case. So now you are assigned to a judge, and so if there are any issues with either getting off work benefits or getting medical treatment or anything else, we can go right into the arbitrator and ask them to make a decision as to what should happen in your case. So that's the first thing that happens when you file an application for adjustment of claim. The next thing that happens is that we mail a copy of the filed application for adjustment of claim to your employer. Most of the time what they do with that application is they provide that to their insurance company, and their insurance company is now going to know that if there's any problems, we have an arbitrator that we can go and get those addressed. So that protects you, makes it less likely that you're going to have problems because you can do something about it. It's also going to let your employer know that you have an attorney. And for the same reason, that's another good reason to file a claim. The insurance company for your employer is going to know that you have an attorney, and if there's any problems, that you're going to be able to take care of them with your attorney and with the arbitrator that's assigned to your case. So to recap, your claim is open simply by you reporting an injury to your employer and claiming that it's related to your job. But we often file what's called an application adjustment of claim to get a case number, get you assigned to a judge, and let your insurance company know that we can handle any issues that come up.